Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm going to show y'all some of my nail stickers since I started doing my nails. I'm proud of myself. Okay, I was looking for the embossed 5D or 3D nail decal stickers. And I got a white set, and they're flocked or embossed. You can feel it. So all different designs. I didn't want the kind that you use water on. I studied this, and I didn't want that kind. So this will look good over a color. And you have to use tweezers. I've never done this before. And also got a gold set. The gold geometric set. Let me show you. They come in little cellophane packages like this. This is the gold set. All kind of designs. It's the kind you have to gently pull it off with tweezers. I like the open design. That way some of the color of the nail will show through. Okay, here's some squares. I like the squares right here, the open squares, because I can put it on like a diamond shape and the color will show through. Or just use the diamonds or the circles. Look at that. Let me see. Use the smaller diamond. I don't want too much junk on my nails, but I think I'm going to put on the white today. Should have had it picked up, but I didn't. Okay, is there two separate ones? Okay, I see. Okay, it's my first time getting this off of here. Hope I don't tear it up. Oh, I got tweezers. I had these for a long time. Trying to get them out of here without messing up my fingernails. I did it. Get all this junk out the way. Alright, they say you can just pick up the end. Ain't no end picking up. Okay, let me go off camera and try to catch up one end so I can peel it off without tearing it up or scraping all the stuff off, trying to get the end of it. I'll be back. Okay, I was able to get up the end. Y'all see that end? Now I have to carefully pull it up. Whoops. Trying to let y'all see while I'm trying to do it. Get it on here. I'm put it on this ring finger. Before I drop it on the floor, then it'll be stuck to the rug. Kind of crooked, but I ain't gonna pull it up. I'm gonna act like I meant to do it. Ooh, ain't that cute? Look at that, y'all. Alright, it's another one just like it. Down here somewhere. Okay. I'll put it on the other hand. You just gotta grab an edge. And they're kind of fragile. I act like I know what I'm talking about. It's my first time ever. Okay, I got it. Put it on this. So I'm gonna make that kind of slanted. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, that's cute, y'all. I want some more. Yeah, buddy. I likes this. I know I'm country. I want to leave well enough alone. Yeah. Okay. But that's how you get these embossed stickers off of here with some tweezers. Now I need a top coat so they don't come off. I need a sticker book. Like I got my nail wrap book, so I'm gonna buy another photo album. Get that out the way. I've already put my sunscreen on my hands and my fingers because I'm going to put on this top coat and then I'm going to cure it. I seen somebody do this, so that's why I'm doing it. Make sure it's the top coat. Yeah. Good. That's a little more. I didn't want that much. Okay. Washed my hair this morning, scrubbed the scalp and everything, and these nails are still on here, y'all. Okay. Here's my nail lamp thingamajig. Oh, let me turn it on. Wonder if I can do. I don't want to have to do it 2 separate times. I'm gonna set it for 30 seconds, and if it burns, I'll set it for the 120. Okay. Okay, for 30 seconds. Cute. I wonder if that's good enough. Let me do it one more time. Took all these other fingers back. And this don't burn. I love the convenience of this nail lamp. I can use it anywhere. I don't have to have it plugged in because it's fully charged. I can use it anywhere. Okay. So, turn this off. I'm still trying to learn how to use these nails. So that's how my manicure looks. I decided to put on my rubies and diamond rings since I got my nails done. Hey, look, y'all. I had a professional nail artist comment on my other video. She said I did a good job. Thank you. Okay, so I'll put a link for these nail the 5D embossed nail stickers in my description box, as well as my UV LED portable nail lamp. Thumbnail. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. I'm proud of myself. Look at that. I see other people doing their own nails. I said, who got time to do all that? I did it, y'all. Okay, I decided to go on and finish my nails. I didn't do the thumbs. So these are my Christmas nails. But I'll probably be to change them again before Christmas. So I like this, like a bow with the trailing ribbons. This just got a little something. I had this, and then my little finger. So these fingers are a little different. I couldn't find enough of the same little tiny, what you call these? I don't know what you call them, starbursts. So here's the results. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. I don't want to be in the picture, just my nails. Let me see. This way? Yeah. Okay. Bye.